Hello everyone, how to add print button to Google Chrome. So let's start to first open your Google Chrome and go to the right hand side and click on the three dot, scroll down and click on the second last option settings. And here you can see your Chrome setting is open. Go to the left hand side and click on the appearance option. Okay. And here in appearance, click on the customize your toolbar. On the right hand side you can see the customize Chrome. Scroll down and here in tools and actions, second option is print. Just click on the turn on and here you can see on top side the print button is added on Chrome toolbar. Okay, I just close this and I just add the new tab and here you see your print button here showing. So that's it. This is a way you can add print button to Google Chrome. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.